When nature hits hard, it doesn't just damage your lot. It throws your entire dealership off track. Cars can't move, operations freeze, and customers are left waiting. In times like these, it's not your building that saves you. It's your ability to stay online. Digital tools keep you connected, visible, and in control, no matter what's happening outside. Now let's dive into some of these digital tools and see how they keep you moving when everything else stands still. First, start with data. After a disaster, don't rely on instinct. Use insights to guide your recovery. Take a look at recent trends and customer behavior. Prioritize high-demand vehicles, like trucks and SUVs after a flood, or all-wheel drives after a snowstorm. Use data to predict what parts will be needed most, such as brakes or electrical components following a hurricane. By letting analytics lead the way, you'll restock smarter, reduce wait times, and get back to business faster. Second, go virtual. When your physical showroom is closed or damaged, your online presence becomes your lifeline. A strong digital storefront lets customers browse your inventory, ask questions, and stay engaged, whether they're replacing a vehicle or just looking for information during uncertain times.
With Glow3D's virtual showroom, you can take that experience to the next level,
Offering immersive 360-degree vehicle tours, branded landing pages, and seamless integration with your inventory and social channels. It's more than browsing. It's a bridge that keeps communication flowing while your physical location recovers. It's everything your customer needs, without ever stepping foot inside. Third, don't underestimate the power of social media. In crisis, your dealership's empathy and support can shine. Share community updates, highlight essential repairs, and post insurance guidance.
With Glow3D's social media sharing tool, your latest arrivals, offers, and updates go live automatically,
Driving traffic back to your website and saving valuable time. Disasters test your resilience. Technology proves it. With the right tools in place, your dealership doesn't just recover, it leads forward. Be prepared, stay connected, recover stronger. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please help us keep going by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it, and hitting that subscribe button.
glow3d.com.